Mr. Hardipuri, I want to start from a very basic fact. 2024 elections were elections where you expected to get a landslide victory, but ultimately didn't work out that way. You now have two partners that support the government to give you the numbers. Has governance changed in Modi 3.0 because it's not an absolute majority that the BJP has?
If I were a student of political science, I would ask you a counter question. What is the relationship between the size of your majority and the quality of governance? Even today, combined with our two alliance partners, one from the south and one from Bihar, we have 290 plus, and you need only 272. And I can tell you, Navika, without any hesitation whatsoever, governance from 2014, as reflected in the kind of programs, all the schemes which were started in June 2015, what came in 2019, now saturation of those programs. And if you look at the GDP figures, that shows that governance is getting, it's not only all there, but it's getting better and better. So the size numbers you have, if we had got 330 or 340, if you want to go into the reasons why we didn't get 330, we got 303 last time, it's a different issue. But no, there has been no setback or dilution in the governance as a result of the Lok Sabha figures. But let me come. After the Lok Sabha elections in 2014, Haryana, Delhi, Maharashtra, Haryana, Maharashtra, Delhi, and now let me add Bihar and then West Bengal. Then it will be complete.
So you've already taken Bihar and West Bengal elections?
No, I've not taken. If you look at what is happening in West Bengal, you should have heard the Honorable Home Minister's response in Parliament yesterday. You were, you have heard it. He said, when they were talking about fencing, he said the 450 kilometers, which is not fenced, is in spite of the fact that that is, as in Shri Amit Shah, has written innumerable letters to the West Bengal government, has spoken to the Chief Secretary, they don't act. And so the Ghuspetiyas come from there. They give them Aadhaar cards there, and then they're talking to us. This government, like the Kejriwal government in Delhi, will be booted out in West Bengal.
That's why the opposition says that you control all the institutions, including the election.
What?
All the institutions, including Election Commission of India. Because you've declared the results even before the election has been announced.
I am pointing to a trend. I'm no one to declare a result. I'm pointing to the trend. When we were talking about Haryana, many skeptics, including senior journalists, I will not take names on this very important platform, they say, nahi, Haryana mein to ye ho jayega, wahan Jat consolidation ho jayegi, ye ho jayega. I said, Haryana mein we will get 45 plus, and that's what we did. In Delhi, you can argue that, oh, no, Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party is fully entrenched, they've got these freebies. Yes, they had the freebies, but at the end of the day, the mass is wiser and more constant. People know the value of good governance, and that is what is propelling the trend that I'm talking about. That's all I'm saying.
Jharkhand, not part of India?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, but ये नहीं है, मतलब आपको एक brush से सारा हो जाएगा, वो भी आएगा with the fullness of time.
Are you doing something there?
Then I'm doing nothing. I'm just a BJP कार्यकर्ता working in the center, भाई. मेरे से क्यों करवा रहे हो आप?
नहीं, क्योंकि आपने बिहार बंगाल ले लिया, मैंने सोचा
मैं ट्रेंड के बारे बता रहा हूँ. कल पार्लियामेंट में मैंने जब परफॉर्मेंस देखी, या क्या कहते हैं ये लोग. और बाकी, by the way, not to be outdone, their chief executive is in London, jogging in the Hyde Park, both frontal and reverse, and also addressing Oxford University.
You're taking.
मैं कुछ नहीं कह रहा हूँ, आप मेरे को सवाल पूछ रही हैं.
So you think the Chief Minister of West Bengal cannot go and address?
No, must go more often. जैसे राहुल गांधी जी जाते हैं, वो जो भाषण वहाँ पे कहाँ जाते हैं, अमेरिका जाते हैं, बीच में कहीं वियतनाम उधर भी जाते हैं, वो बताते नहीं, पर जब अमेरिका जाते हैं वो बताते हैं.
राहुल गांधी लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है, बोलने आप उन्हें देते नहीं पार्लियामेंट में.
मुझे तो दुख होता है. मैं तो चाहूंगा वो ज्यादा बोलें, क्योंकि जब वो बोलते हैं तो उससे हमारा फायदा होता है.